Super excited to be working with builders for my bathroom revamp. I'll definitely be getting some paint to touch up on my vanity, also getting utensils for the sink. I'm definitely getting rid of that mirror. I'm still contemplating whether to actually change my tile color, but I think I'm still in love with it, so I'll work around it. I am using this bathroom caddy as inspiration, so I think I'll get shelves, bamboo shelves, floating shelves for the side of the wall. Also contemplating on whether to actually create a feature wall. I'll see. Getting rid of this mat and looking for something memory foamy so that it's quite comfortable around the bathroom. I'll also be doing some painting on the ceiling just to get rid of this dodgy look. As you can see, the trapdoor is a bit rust because it's made out of metal, so I look for a paint suitable for that. And then yeah, super excited. Stay tuned.